Hello, hello, hello.
Rambo.
Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili, all night time Swahili in 10 minutes with and Fresh Mommy. In this episode, in this episode, we are going to be talking about the parts of the house or sehemu za nyumba. Say sehemu za nyumba. Sehemu is parts, and then za nyumba is of the house. House is
Nyumba.
Nyumba. Awesome, awesome. And in the sentence that we have over here is he ndio. Read for me.
Hii ndio nyumba yetu ambayo tunaita
Nyumbani.
This house is
Okay, read it again.
This is our house.
Let's read it again.
Hii ndio nyumba yetu ambayo tunaiita
Nyumbani. So hii ndio nyumba yetu ambayo tunaiita nyumbani. And that means what in English?
This is our house.
I read it. This is our house, which we call home.
Awesome, awesome. So we have just a couple of things, and the whole idea is that when you look at things, you can quickly recognize and say, okay, that's a mlango, that's a dirisha, and so on and so forth. So here are the sehemu za nyumba, parts of the house. Mlango. What's a mlango?
Door.
Door. What is the other way? What is window in Swahili?
Dirisha.
Dirisha. Awesome. I'm losing my peeps.
Dirisha.
Did you go out the dirisha?
No.
Come back to the mlango. But you're too far. I can't see you. All right. What is door again?
Dirisha.
Door.
Mlango.
Come closer. Mlango. Dirisha is
Window.
window. Good job. What is roof?
Pa.
What is wall?
Ukuta.
Ukuta. What is floor?
Sakafu.
Sakafu. What is ceiling? Dari. What is? What is stairs? Ngazi. What is deck? Staha. All right, awesome. So what were they again? Mlango is door. Dirisha is window or windows. Pa is roof. Ukuta is wall. Sakafu is floor. Dari is ceiling. Ngazi is stairs. Staha is deck. And the way you can try to make sure that you understood those things is walk around the house, and then I tell you, show me a mlango, you show me the
Right
mlango.
there.
Right?
Or right there.
Right.
I'm gonna go downstairs, okay? Watch. I'm gonna go downstairs.
What is stairs?
Staha. But I'm gonna go downstairs, okay?
Okay. Stairs is not staha. Right here.
No.
Say I'm going down the ngazi. Go ahead.
Bye.
We didn't even see you do that again.
No.
You need to start when you're here where we can actually see you. Okay. Right there. You're going down the ngazi.
Going down the stairs.
There
You
go.
went down. You have to go like this.
You kind of
go
have to go down.
diagonal.
All right, perfect.
It's not like.
All right. No, it's okay. He can go down the
No, I'm
ngazi.
saying I need to go.
Go ahead. Down the ngazi. Quick.
You're going down.
Oh, you went down the ngazi kabisa. So what ngazi again?
Stairs.
Stairs. What is this over here that we are stepping on?
The sakafu.
Sakafu. Sakafu is
Sakafu.
floor. What is that up there?
Dari. Or dari.
Dari. But then above the house is
Pa.
pa. Where am I the only one in the video? Where is people? Where are people? Huh? Okay, perfect. Let's stay here so that we can be done. So above the house all the way that protects the whole house is pa, which is
Sakafu.
I
thought it was Baraki.
pa is what?
So ceiling.
Okay. We are losing each other here.
Baraka.
On top of the house,
Baraka
all the
ball.
way on top of the house. What is that?
Baraka.
The pa or the roof.
Right.
Or roof.
Huh? What is it?
Baraka Roof.
No, I can't hear you.
Baraka Roof.
Baraka Power Roof. I don't understand what that is. Okay, so
Speaking of
all the way on top of the house is what? A
Aba.
pa or a roof. A roof. So a roof in Swahili is pa. Okay,
Pa.
what is this
Oh,
guy hiding behind the curtain?
Papa.
And what was this?
Dirisha.
Dirisha. What is this that's hiding the
Dirisha.
dirisha? What's hiding the
Dirisha.
dirisha? What is this?
Pazia.
Pazia. Good job. So we have to keep practicing. So windows are dirisha.
Dirisha.
What is the door?
Mango.
Lango. What is stairs?
Gazi.
Gazi. What is deck?
Saha.
Awesome. What is stairs?
Gazi.
Gazi. What is floor?
Sakafu.
Sakafu. What is ceiling? What is ceiling?
Dari.
Sorry.
We get it.
Dari.
Dari. Ceiling. Dari. And then roof is
Papa.
pa. And what about the house? What is a house?
Ukuta.
Nyumba.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I got it right.
House is what?
Ukuta.
You're saying wall. Huh? Come back. What is house?
Yumba.
Nyumba. What is wall?
Ukuta.
Ukuta. All right. I think we know everything now. We just need to keep practicing. So I'll be asking you, what is that? What is that over here? What is this?
Ukuta.
Ukuta. Good job. What is this right here?
Pizza.
Picture. Good job. What is this?
Meza.
Meza. What are we sitting on?
Safu.
Kiki.
Kiti au? Same word in Swahili. So?
Sofa.
Sofa. Good job. What else? What is this? What is this right here?
Sa.
Sa.
I saw that.
What else did we have? What is a Bible?
Biblia.
Biblia. Good
What
job.
about Saya Kengere?
Yeah, what is Saya Kengere?
Alarm clock.
Alarm clock. But you need to come back.
This.
What is calendar?
Calendar.
Calendar. Come back.
What about this?
What is that we are about to go watch after we finish this video?
Rulinga.
Runinga. Awesome. What is this? Mateo?
I'm falling.
What is that? Right there. Carpet.
Carpeta.
Carpet is?
Carpeti.
What does it start with?
Okay.
Mkeka.
Good job. You guys are awesome. High fives. That's it. All right, fresh kids, fresh families. Please
Subscribe. Hit the like button.
We can't even see you. We can only see your shirt and your thing. All right. So again, you don't need a lot of time. Just take about 5 minutes. Learn new things. 2 minutes to review what you already know, and then you're good to go. All right. Kwaherini. Asante.
Kwaharani. Kwaharani.
Zima video. Kwaheri.